Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage Facebook pages you follow notifications. Maybe you want to limit notification from Facebook pages you follow but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage notifications from Facebook pages you follow on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then in here, tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And then in here, you need to scroll down. And you'll see in here settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button beside it. And in here, select settings. As you can see under the preferences, here is the notifications. Simply tap on these notifications. And you'll see in here what notifications you received. And you'll see in here pages you follow. To manage Facebook pages you follow, simply tap on these pages you follow. And then in here, you'll see these are notifications about activity in pages that you follow. You will see here allow notifications on Facebook, and you can also see below the where you receive these notifications. In here, you will see push, email, and SMS. If you don't like the notifications, simply tap on this button to turn it off. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage notifications from Facebook pages you follow, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can limit or manage Facebook pages you follow notifications, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.